Okay, it is Memorial Day weekend and we are going camping. So we are at a scenic overlook right now. We're almost to the campsite. We're going to go to Virgin Falls and yeah, nothing's happened up until now. We just ate, I already got a gnarly sunburn. But yeah, we're gonna, and I got these new lenses for my camera, so I think that they look really cool. Tell me if you guys like this or if it's just kind of weird and I should go back to normal. Anyway, I'm gonna go stand on a rock right now, so. Okay, we're here. I'm super sweaty. That's about it. We're here and we're really sweaty. We set up our tent. Meg's gonna do a fire after she gets the fire pit. Fun, I'm not gonna go into the whole thing, but I'm just gonna let you guys know quickly. Meg actually lived out here for a month and this was her campsite and it's a really, really cool story, which I'm not going to tell because it's not my story to tell, but maybe if anybody's interested in that, maybe she'll type up a nice long blog or something and let you guys know what's going on. Oh, so Meg has like this water filter and she's going to fill up her water bottle from the creek. And I was like, no girl, I'm not drinking creek water. And I know some of you might say, Melissa, don't be dramatic, you're camping. Well, Meg's camping. I'm drinking purified water out of a jug, so I don't really feel like I'm exactly being sophisticated, but I'm not drinking creek water. I played in a creek as a child. I know what goes in the creek. Just sawed a log, taking it back to the fire pit. Guys, I don't know if camping is for me, but I'm gonna keep trying. We've been out here for no hours. On a stick. Dress out here. We could lose our dog. But yeah, not half bad. And it has mustard on it too, because you know, you gotta have your condiments even if you're camping. It's hot. breakfast, got new clothes on that are still just sweaty and gross, and we hiked up to this Outlook. No, what's it called?
It's Overlook.
Overlook. I keep calling it Outlook, but that's my email. And so this was just like a detour stop, not even the real hike. And I'm sweating.
Are you gonna show them?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, we paused on this rock to eat lunch, and I keep laughing because, you know, churches that have like a baptism, like a big one that like stays, they always have scenes like this in the background. So I'm like, baptism vibes for lunch. How many miles have we gone? None?
Today we've gone like,
I don't know. We've gone like 1.5 miles, so. That's Virgin Falls off that side of it. That's Meg. And we ate peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and nobody is dead yet, so.
feels pretty good, yeah?
Now we're just gonna hike back out. I've been told we have a special guest. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Well, he's going to be hiking with us now. So, everybody, welcome him to the vlog. We made it to the campsite. We cleaned the campsite up, and we're going home. Actually, we're gonna go to Cracker Barrel, and then we're gonna go home. Cause you girls, we did like 18,000 steps today. 20,000 steps. As of right now, we still have like 1.5 miles to hike. Not prophetic. To hike back to the campsite. So we're gonna throw down a Cracker Barrel. So I am editing this, and I realized that I didn't close it out or do anything. I'm just like, we have to hike back now, and then that's it. But that's because by the time we got to the car, I was like done. I was done. So we hiked back. It was great. We went to Cracker Barrel. It was a great learning experience for me. Thanks for watching this vlog. Like, subscribe, do all the things. Bye.